In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in Gmail. First, open Gmail and click on the Compose button. You'll find this button on the upper left side of your Gmail interface. It's usually marked with a plus sign and the word Compose. When you click it, a new message window will pop up. This is where you will write your email. A fresh Compose window allows you to start crafting your message from scratch. It's a straightforward action, but it's essential because this is your starting point for creating your hyperlink. Once you click Compose, you will be ready to input the text that will become your link. Next, type the text you want to turn into a link. This could be anything relevant to your message, like click here or visit our website. The text you choose is important because it gives your recipients a clear idea of where the link will lead them. By making the text descriptive, you enhance the clarity of your message. As you type, keep in mind that this text should be inviting and informative. Once you have your desired text, you can easily move on to the next step. Now, highlight the text you just typed. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the text. You'll see it change color, usually to blue, indicating that it is selected. Highlighting the text is crucial because it tells Gmail which part of your email you want to transform into a hyperlink. This step ensures that when you add your link, it is attached to the correct words, making it easy for your readers to engage with your content. Once the text is highlighted, you are set for the next action. Click the Insert Link icon in the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. This icon looks like a chain link and is usually located right above the text area. Alternatively, you can also press Ctrl+K if you're on Windows or Command+K if you're using a Mac. This step is significant because it opens a dialog box where you can enter the web address. You will see a visual change as the link icon is activated, confirming that you're in the right direction. After that, enter or paste the web address in the web address field. Make sure to include the full URL, starting with http:// or https://. This is vital because an incomplete address will not work properly. Double-check that you have the correct link to ensure your readers are directed to the intended page. Once you input the URL, you'll be able to move on confidently to finalize your hyperlink. Finally, click OK or Apply. This action will create the hyperlink in your email. You will see that the text you highlighted has now transformed into a clickable link. This confirms that your changes are saved and your hyperlink is active and ready to be used. Now you can continue composing your email, knowing that your link will direct your recipients exactly where you want them to go. And that's it, you have successfully created a hyperlink in Gmail. This process not only makes your emails more interactive, but also helps your recipients easily access additional information. Thank you for following along.